the curb if you would, just to show how to do it. Can you wave at me? Wave at me.
Hi, I love you.
I love you too. Can you blow kisses? What are you doing right now? You- Can you steer for me? Steer your car. Steer it with your hands. Woo! Alright, you want to climb out and show us what's inside the purple lid? Alright, stop like right here in front of the flowers. Okay, show me what's inside the hood. Can you get in and open that lid? Open the front of the car for me. The purple lid, purple door in the front of the car. See the lid? Okay, let me show you. This opens. Ta-da! Okay, hold on. I'm gonna close it, and then here, go over there, and then you open it. Okay, open it for me. Open the hood. Come open the purple hood. What goes in there? What goes in there?
Crackers.
Crackers can go in there?
Yeah.
What else? What else could go in there?
Meat.
Meat? Okay.